Your home's exterior plays a crucial role in shaping the overall aesthetic appeal, making the first impression for guests, and increasing the long-term value of the property. One of the most impactful updates you can make to refresh and modernize your home's look is replacing old or outdated windows. Window Replacement Covington offers the perfect solution for homeowners looking to give their homes a fresh, contemporary appearance while enhancing energy efficiency, functionality, and comfort. Here's how replacing your windows with modern designs can help modernize your home's exterior and transform its overall appeal. Sleek, contemporary design. As time passes, window styles can become outdated and may not align with the current trends or architectural style of your home. Old, worn-out windows can make even the most charming home look tired. Modern window styles, such as casement windows, picture windows, and sliding windows, offer clean lines, sleek finishes, and better functionality, which can instantly update the exterior look of your home. For example, casement windows feature a crank-style mechanism that opens outward, allowing for a more streamlined, contemporary design. These windows have a modern aesthetic that can enhance a home's look, especially for those with a minimalist design. Meanwhile, picture windows, which are large, fixed windows, bring in plenty of natural light and provide unobstructed views of your outdoor surroundings, adding a spacious, airy feel to your home's exterior. The variety of window styles available with Window Replacement Covington allows homeowners to choose designs that fit their personal taste and the architectural style of their homes. Whether you want to preserve a classic look or opt for a more modern flair, new windows can dramatically alter the curb appeal of your home. Increased natural light and better views. One of the best ways to modernize your home's exterior and interior is by enhancing the amount of natural light that floods your living spaces. Older windows often come with smaller panes and outdated designs that limit light entry and may obstruct your view of the outdoors. By opting for larger, more open designs like picture windows or bay windows, you can bring in more sunlight and enjoy expansive views. New windows also help you make the most of your surroundings. For example, if your home overlooks a beautiful garden or scenic landscape, replacing old windows with larger, energy-efficient models can give your home a more open and inviting feel. With more natural light pouring into your home, your interior spaces will feel brighter, larger, and more connected to the outdoors. Energy efficiency with modern features. While aesthetics are important, modern windows come with the added benefit of energy efficiency, which directly impacts your home's long-term value and comfort. Older windows, especially those with single glazing, can allow drafts and heat loss, making it difficult to maintain a consistent temperature. This can lead to higher energy bills and a less comfortable home environment. Window Replacement Covington provides the opportunity to upgrade to energy-efficient windows, such as those with double or triple glazing, low E coatings, and argon gas insulation. These windows help regulate indoor temperatures by preventing heat from escaping during the winter and blocking excessive heat during the summer. Not only does this increase your home's comfort, but it can also lead to significant savings on your utility bills. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows also boosts your home's environmental appeal. making it more attractive to eco-conscious buyers if you decide to sell in the future. Improved home security. Modern windows are designed with improved safety and security features, which can further enhance your home's exterior while providing peace of mind. Many newer window models are equipped with multi-point locking systems, tamper-resistant glass, and secure frames that make it more difficult for burglars to break in. By replacing old, outdated windows with newer, more secure designs, you can significantly improve your home's safety without compromising on style. For homes in neighborhoods that may experience high foot traffic or security concerns, investing in impact-resistant windows can further protect against break-ins and harsh weather. Enhanced curb appeal and property value. New windows are one of the most cost-effective ways to increase your home's curb appeal and overall market value. If you're thinking of selling your home in the future, potential buyers will immediately notice the difference that new, modern windows make. Home buyers are drawn to homes that feature energy-efficient windows, as they offer long-term savings on energy bills and enhance comfort. Installing Window Replacement Covington can give your home a more contemporary, inviting look while boosting its value. Updated windows show prospective buyers that you've invested in the property, which can lead to quicker sales and potentially higher offers. Modern windows are also more durable, meaning you'll need fewer repairs and replacements in the future. Low maintenance and durability. New windows are designed with materials that require less maintenance, meaning they'll stay looking great for years to come with minimal effort. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames are weather-resistant, durable, and easy to clean. Unlike older wooden windows, which can rot or warp over time, modern windows retain their appearance and function without the need for constant maintenance. Additionally, many modern windows come with low-maintenance coatings that help reduce the buildup of dirt, making it easier to keep them looking clean and clear, which enhances the overall look of your home's exterior. Conclusion. Replacing your windows with Window Replacement Covington is a smart investment that can modernize your home's exterior and improve its energy efficiency, security, and overall curb appeal. Whether you're aiming for a more contemporary look, enhancing natural light, or reducing energy consumption, modern windows offer a range of benefits that can transform your home. With better designs, improved materials, and long-term savings, installing new windows is a simple yet highly effective way to update your home and increase its value.